Okay, I hope you can hear this. But man, I'm pedaling mode 3 downhill 26 miles an hour, and it is so stable. It is so smooth. Maybe I got not enough air pressure. But these tires are awesome. So they created another problem being I've lost range, but now I'd like to keep these during the summer. If it means getting a bigger battery to add on here to keep the range, then that's probably what I'm gonna do. Oh, those stock tires doing this, you'd be like this. Remember? But now look at this, I'm pedaling, hands-free, 26 miles an hour. Finally, this bike is getting where it should be. It's tracking and riding smooth. A little stiff in the back, a little loose in the front. That's the front. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the cheap-ass front end. The brakes are acceptable now. And all it took was the bigger rotors and properly working calipers. Look, that was without really breaking it up, and I stopped quick. Here we go again. Can you do that? Da, 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 da. Never could have done that. This wasn't what I was coming out to video, but it is now. You are jealous. Two, three, oh. 32, 31, 3-1. Yeah, I never could do that on those stock tires. Never. Now watch this.